Hey there, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. This feature leverages advanced AI to make your iPhone smarter and more personalized. So let's jump right in. Apple Intelligence refers to the various smart features built into iOS that use AI to enhance your experience, like predictive text, personalized recommendations, and smart Siri. This feature automatically adjusts based on how you use your device, making it easier to interact with your iPhone. So, how to turn on Apple Intelligence features? First, make sure your iPhone is updated. Before you start, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Apple Intelligence features work best within the most recent updates. First, go to Settings, then go to General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Next, Siri is one of the main ways Apple Intelligence helps you to make sure Siri is working properly. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Siri and search. Now make sure listen for Hey Siri and allow Siri when locked are turned on. Now let's turn on features that make your iPhone smarter. Here's how to personalize your experience. Go to Settings, then go to Privacy Settings. Now go to Analytics and Improvements. Turn on Share iPhone and Watch Analytics and improve Siri and dictation. This helps Apple learn from your activity to provide better recommendations. Predictive text can make your typing experience much smoother. To turn it on, go to Settings, then go to General Settings, then select Keyboard. Toggle on predictive. This will suggest words as you type, making your messages and emails quicker to compose. Apple Intelligence also uses machine learning to offer app suggestions based on your usage habits. To enable this, go to Settings, then scroll down and search Siri and search. Under Suggestions, make sure Suggestions in Search, suggestion on lock screen and suggestion while sharing are turned on. And that's it. By following these steps, you have enabled key Apple Intelligence feature on your iPhone. Now your device can better predict what you need, provide smarter suggestions, and help you interact with Siri more effectively. I hope this video helped you set up Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your iPhone.